Let me come from outside. Can you see that though? Oh. Welcome everybody, Coach Roach here. Yeah, you know, I had to come in here, do a quick intro, do a little backstory for y'all. So, I'm from Jamaica, Westmoreland, Jamaica. Start over. Now, do I talk to them Jamaican? Or keep going back and forth?
You can go back and forth, give them a little. I know, right?
I'm like, yeah, welcome everybody. Coach Roach here, you know, from Cheat Code. Roach Gang.
Man of Phoenix, what time is it? It's about to be trading time, so I gotta head back. I'm just gonna float back. Shit, this one's a little far today.
Everywhere, we're here, worldwide invested.
Welcome to Zanzibar! Zanzibar, Hakuna Matata! Worldwide investment!
Everywhere, the bookstore, gallery. I'm gonna show you this place soon, all right? So I just had to come in here, give you a backstory. So I'm from Westmoreland, Jamaica. Big up the thing, right? I moved from Westmoreland to Long Island, Jamaica with my dad. Maybe like 10 years, 15 years now, right? From there, you know, seeing everybody live easy, simple, chill life. But you don't know what's going on because everybody's still working, right? From there, I was playing soccer. After I was playing soccer, I wasn't really feeling up north anymore, soccer in like Canada. Come back down here with my cousins, basically start doing pest control. So like, I've only been playing soccer my whole life. Like no real, no real work, no real anything. Honestly, playing soccer, that's what's paying for most of my stuff. Getting me from place to place, that's what I'm really doing. Doing some trapping. That's what you gotta do. I don't know what else y'all was doing, but I wasn't going to work. So doing some trapping, doing some of that, right? So then ended up saying like, maybe you wanna change. So my aunt actually hit me up and my cousins, they were like, yo, we're in Georgia. Come down to Georgia, see what's going on down here, right? I'm like, all right, let's go. Boom, boom. My cousin also just bought a house and he was saying how rent was crazy in New York. So I was like, okay, let's go see, do your own thing. Come down here, we start doing the pest control company that he's doing, running that. Go in this one guy's house one day, and he's like, yo, I'm trying to ask him like, yo, where should I spray? What should I do? He's like, yo, like, hold on 1 second, just go spray in the kitchen for now, basically, some shit like that. I'm like, brother, what? He's like, yeah, just spray everything possible, because he's not paying attention at all. So I'm like, all right, I'm just trying to leave. So I go back, spray, come back. I know this not even like 10 minutes. So it's like not even 10 minutes. I come back, talking to him like, yo, I don't know when I'm gonna come back, just let me know. Boom, boom. He's like, yo, I just made like 3K. And I remember that day, like it was yesterday. I'm like, all right, bro, what? 3K? I'm out here all day running around these houses, bro. Taking out spider webs, going under people's crawl space. I don't know, getting rats and stuff, checking out the holes underneath that. But bro, you just did this in like the time I was at your house, 10 minutes. I had to really get Jamaican under bread. I said, yo, me nah left. Me nah left until you show me what that is. I'm like, no way. He's like, all right, yo, I got you, but not right now. And like looking back, I could tell at the time, like it's crazy because he's in the trade and I'm trying to talk to him. Like if anybody ever tried to talk to me in the trade, like they'll probably know like, you should probably disappear. Cause like that would be crazy, but like he still helped me out. So I respect the dude for that. But he didn't message me for a while, long time. Probably like 1-2 months. But I'm already researching myself. I'm like, money on the computer, 10 minutes, 3,000. I'm looking up everything I know what he's just doing. I'm like, I see the thing chart, but I'm still not really finding out nothing. Honestly, my little brother, I hit him up. I'm like, yo, you know about something like this? He's actually telling me that he does, but at the time, he doesn't really know too much about it either, but he was living with someone that did it. But like, I think it was options trade, like Forex trading something, right? And then like, so we don't know, we still looking it up. Then homeboy just hit me up out of the blue. Like, yo, I got you. I completely forgot like a stack of videos.
I'll never be broke again. I have control of my thoughts. I am the observer. I focus only
Semiconductor
on
still going
performance,
off.
not
I was like,
my
dang it.
error. I have health, discipline, and wealth in abundance.
My
I
friend
know
told
I'm
me
what I
after the
think
fact.
about. I am just learning. I deserve this life. Positive, happy mental every day.
Like,
I'm
I
truly
could've got in
limitless. I'm
position.
controlling my thoughts more and more each day.
And I'm also
rule my
noticing
destiny.
how we're trying not to make fair value gaps to the upside. I'm also, you know, keeping tabs on that.
For our strategy, we
So-
will first start the timer. Accept risk. Enter one pickleball.
Doesn't mean I'm right,
Above or
just
below.
something I'm observing.
Two-legged pullback, fail two-legged pullback, lower high, higher low, fail breakout, triple test, break and retest. Place stop one tick above or below our
Okay, so
signal
there's like a
bar. For
tiny
our
fair
up
value
move, we
gap
got
right
our
here. I
tier
don't know if you
ones,
guys
tier
can
twos,
see it,
tier threes.
that we
For our
just hit.
downside, we got our tier ones, tier two, tier threes. Trust the unknown.
I definitely
Use
think
yours
it's
to
going for
reward,
this
most
high. I just
importantly.
don't know what it's gonna do once it gets there.
Breathe, be present. Monitor
And
3
I'm
bar,
willing to
1 minute
wait.
chart. I'm only process, lock in nearest to reward. Break
And since
even.
I'm
only
watching both the 1
progress,
minute and the
process, think
15
heavenly,
minute,
think godly.
I feel like I
Gratitude
have
always for
a
everything.
good grasp on, you know, what each time frame is doing. And then if we get a new hourly candle, I'll switch to the hour, get my retracement levels, all that kind of stuff. And we got like less than 2 minutes on this candle right here. It's a very indecisive candle. That would still look pretty if we were looking at this in hindsight.
Coach Amy,
It's like,
what's
oh, that
going
candle
on?
went up. Huh?
Yes.
I said, what's
Hey.
going on? What's going on?
How are you doing?
Doing all right. Seeing some plays already?
Yeah. You know, I'm up trading since 6.
Yeah, I already know. New time schedule, baby. Let's go.
And it's working out so far.
That's right.
What up, Terrence?
Yo, what's going on, Neil? Pastor Neil. Sorry, brother.
Peace and blessings. Peace and blessings.
How you doing, man?
What's new about here?
Okay. All right.
So Terrence, I was just mentioning that we have an external liquidity target here that I know price is going to hit. So I'm looking to see what it's going to do once we hit there.
Okay.
Last week's high at 1757.
Yeah.
I've
been looking
I
for
wanna-
that. What is it, like 174 for us to go up there?
That's like way above where we already are.
Yeah.
That's like in higher highs territory. We got to get through all this other stuff first.
That 57 is right there, though.
Yeah, it's right there. And this candle is just about done. So this is what I do. I just throw my retracement up there. Thing is probably going to retrace to 50%. And then once it does that, I take my fib off and just watch this candle go off.
Go crazy. All right, 15.
Let me know when, or you can just take over the share whenever you're ready. I think.
Yeah, I'm chilling
Do I-
right now. I ain't seen much.
Do I have to make you host?
Ah, no. I'm pretty sure we just co-host automatically on here.
Okay.
Yeah. For me though, I'm not seeing much. As soon as I see something, I'll tell you. We could switch. Right now, I'm trying to see if we're gonna just break up right here.
I mean, I definitely know we're going to. We got to hit this level, but what are we going to do once we hit it?
Yeah.
Is my question.
I would rather us try to retest 0.15 first. But once again, who knows?
It might not come down that low. It might come to what, 24.50 or 17.50 if it's gonna come down to 17.50. Oh.
Huh. You're saying
Either way, I don't play one candles.
yeah. You said 1750?
That's the 62% retracement of the last 15-minute candle.
I'm wondering where I'm at. Because right now my price is at 17,023. Is my thing tripping again?
No, you're in the right place.
Oh no, because you said go down to 1750. So I'm wondering.
Yeah. It just touched the 50% retracement. So if it's going to make a 62% retracement to 1750, that would be a good opportunity. But it's still indecisive on our 15-minute time frame. So
Let's see what it do. Come on.
But what I'm also noticing is even on this 15-minute time frame, we're not making any like fair value gaps or patterns that would lead me to believe that once we get up here, unless it like shoots like way past here, that we're gonna keep going. That's the only reason why I'm just waiting. If I saw like a fair value gap, we revisited it, then I would be like, oh no, I'm hopping in this thing. Next green momentum candle, that's me. But right now, we have closed all the gaps to the upside. So I'm just like, meh.
Nothing to do yet, she said.
Not for me. Let this thing chop around all at once. And then when it makes its 100-point drop, I'll be in that or whatever it's going to do. Because after 9:30, there's always a 100-point move.
Yeah, somewhere.
Yeah, it's hidden. Just kidding. It's not hidden. Just have to find it.
Yeah. They do try to hide it a little, huh?
Yeah, they do. Like they might be hiding it behind the fact that there's no gaps to the upside. Because they know people are looking for them. This is my chart, Marvin. This is Coach Amy's chart.
My turn. My turn.
Get them levels.
I got all my levels. I don't skimp on the levels, so.
And on all the cycles, she got everything.
Yeah, I mean, I could turn the cycles off and I still know what's happening, like I still know that this is New York's high. Well, I put it over here. I still know this is New York's high. I still know this is the open. I still know New York's low is way down here. Like, I still know where everything's at. I just,
Right.
I like to see my indicators though.
That's right.
But I know for some people it's busy.
It's all right. Busy pays. Busy pays.
For me, it does.
Right. I just see us in a little range right here. We got another little failed breakout. Had a two-legged move. I thought we would reverse up. Not reversing at all. Coming back down, actually.
Correct, Tanya.
So maybe this is one big one. All right, we're gonna see if we hold the bottom of this 715.
There we go. We made that full retracement. Get that fib out of here. What are we gonna do at the open? I just hope they don't get us stuck, because there's a fair value gap that could bounce us back up. So I'm just like, And it has. 3 times already.
All right.
I'm like, if you think my chart is busy, Marvin, wait till you see Coach Roach's.
That's what I said. I was like, I don't know what y'all gonna do.
This is the busy chart floor.
Tanya said, I must be getting better at reading this because I had the same level as a rectangle box. It's a big resistant level. Let's see what it do. To Amy's point, it's not really showing yet what it wants. Yep.
Yep.
That's right, Tanya.
It's rejected it 3 times so far. So we've got 3 rejections here to the upside, or to the downside, and then 3 rejections here to the upside, or from the upside. You guys get what I'm trying to say.
Maybe.
Maybe. Maybe not.
You know what you putting down, Amy.
Thank you, Shantae. Thank you. Okay. Okay, Marvin. Okay, Marvin. You got that. You got that thing.
Man, Marvin. Yo, you got me weak.
Marvin's tripping.
Marvin.
But
No,
but
bro.
it's cool.
You know what it is? Coach Amy, maybe you gotta make one of those chart keys. So everybody knows what's going on.
Perhaps.
Yeah. Alright, we just trapped. Everybody tried to push this up. They just got trapped again. The bottom of this range and the 2K.
I'm just looking at the fact that it's an inside candle, like it's an indecision candle, and we've been sitting in this indecision for the last hour. Like the 9 o'clock hour has literally done nothing.
Yeah. I really thought this daily bar would just double up by now. We already went from 856 up to 011. I just thought we would double up.
I mean, every day we're going to war.
Yeah, that's what we doing.
So
I don't know what y'all think. I told y'all, we're not here
Every
to hold
day.
hands. If you think you be coming here to hold hands, don't do it. Stay in your bed. You better get ready for war.
So they are trying to shake us out of these positions, but if you know what to look for, and you know how to read these candles, you can be successful. And this is the same chart that Coach Roach has. I just don't have my drawings over here. This is a 1-minute chart. This is a 2K chart.
Same exact
So
thing.
I'm just watching this to see what the behavior is, like Coach Roach taught me. Like, what is the behavior in this particular candle? How are people purchasing and or selling within this candle right here?
That's right.
And then I have my minute chart that has, like my little minute stuff that I can see. Like I see this huge fair value gap right here that we still have to come down through in order to go for puts. But then I'm also looking on my 15-minute and I see that we have this fair value gap that could push us back up. So, I mean, to me, it makes sense.
Yeah, I really thought we should go back up, but we can't. We can't break back here.
Yeah. That daily fair value gap is keeping us from being great to the upside.
Right.
But we got a new hourly candle that's about to start in like 4 minutes. So we'll see where they take us. If they take us in. Oh, actually, I think we have news at 10. Hang on. I think we got news. Oh, no, I'm wrong. Okay, so we have the natural gas inventories at 10:30, and then we have crude oil at 11. I think the crude oil might move the market, possibly. I don't know why they would hold the market until then, though. That doesn't really make sense to me.
That's their job.
Report should have came out yesterday, but I don't normally use a phone Wednesday.
Right, it usually does, right? But we had a holiday on Monday.
So when they started the year, I don't think they're getting back on track, but they're going to stay reporting.
Yeah, but did they drop it yesterday? I don't think they did. Bloomberg didn't say that they had crude oil numbers come out yesterday.
Go to CME Group.
Huh?
Go to CME Group.
Do you see the numbers?
Nah, you can go to the OPEC. Hold on,
I'm like, did they drop them? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Because if they didn't drop them yesterday, then they'll drop them today. Usually on holiday weeks, they drop them on Thursday. Come on, One Candle, do something.
Hey. I had to wait for my laptop.
I didn't hear what you said, Neil.
I was speaking out loud.
Oh.
Yeah, I was. I'm in my laptop trying to look it up on my phone, but I said you need to do it on my laptop. Like I
Yeah, don't worry about it if you're at work. I don't want you to stress yourself.
Now I'm in this QCOM put. Don't worry, a little research.
Oh my God! Speaking of QCOM put, oh my God.
Yeah.
I forgot about this position I was in yesterday.
Maybe don't let the cheese slide off track.
I know. Well, if it does, that's good for me. So I'm okay with that.
Nah, I see your cracker, not the cracker.
Oh no, I don't want the cheese to slide off my cracker. I want the cheese to slide off the ticker's cracker because I'm in puts. Let me see. Oh damn.
Oh, Trace. It's coming.
Damn it.
I want to see if they try to give us a higher low here. Pick this bad boy back up.
Okay, this thing is going up.
Yeah, I'm looking to take a long once this bar closes on the 2K, especially if it closes around 0.37. I'm definitely interested. If it closes up, I'm interested. We wait for that bar close, and that's why they just changed that whole thing.
You got 300 more ticks left.
And they just bodied it.
Looks like it's going back up to me. I mean, it's a an inverted hammer though.
Yeah, you know I'm not even gonna look at that.
Oh, look at that. That's ugly.
Right.
Why they do that? I mean, it still didn't go any lower though. To your point.
Yeah. Like, come on.
All right, so we just started a new hourly candle, y'all. I'm gonna go to my hour because we might want to retrace this bad boy. Maybe. Maybe not.
Yeah, they really went. Why couldn't they give me this bar as the first bar?
No. You so you correct that is like they said you're gonna release it today.
Are you talking to us, Neil?
Yeah, I'm talking to you. I said you was correct.
Huh?
I said you was correct. They said they were releasing it today at 11 a.m.
Oh,
and
okay.
1 p.m. They said the holiday schedule this week with.
Oh, it makes sense. We had that one day off on Monday, huh?
Yeah. They said turn energy outlook.
I mean, not technically, but yeah. I still traded on Monday. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't. Don't trade on holidays, you guys. Don't do it.
Hey, I wouldn't say don't do it. Just if you're gonna do it, be smart.
Yeah, I mean, you gotta know the move.
Yeah, size down if you know it's gonna be more volatile. I won't tell people don't do it. They gonna do it regardless, Coach Amy.
I need it to come down to 975. Come on. Come on. It might not though. If it hits that, I don't understand why it would hit the 50% of the hour, but not the 62 before it takes off. That just doesn't make sense.
Playing around.
Come on.
We're coming back down, breaking out of this
Come
range.
on. 975. Ugh.
What price is your chart at right now, Amy?
Right now, no, I'm looking for 975. I'm not saying that's
Oh, okay, yeah.
okay. We just hit it. Oh. What we doing at the open? Okay. My 200 on my 1 minute though is at 1700. So all right, this can go away now. I need that full hourly candle retracement.
Okay, we're getting a little bit of savage activity. We love to see this. Again, if
Yep.
y'all don't think we coming to war, what's this? Everybody was just buying.
Yes, definitely, Tanya. But that's why I'm concerned about the oil numbers coming out because, all of that is affected by what's going on in the Red Sea and in the Middle East, of course. What is NG? Is that, what is NG? Do I know that one? Natural gas. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay, yeah. Go. Go. No, keep going. Keep going. There you go. Okay, so we got a big fair value gap on that on the 1 minute to the downside.
Okay.
So I'm thinking that could be what we're doing. That's the program we're on. That's the kind of time we own.
Yeah, we're literally about to take out the whole bottom of this little open move.
Let's see what this candle does.
Here we go. I'm just happy we got out of this box.
Yeah. Same.
We made 2 legs down, perfect. Do we get another leg up? Show me the plays. Alright, so maybe we start one here. This one goes right there.
And hit that gap one more time. Could be trying to push up from here.
we get one more leg up like this rising, we end up at like 195. I just want to see us break above, give a higher low. I'm trying to join that party. Oh, yes. All right, we get some rejection.
Yeah, teams. What was that? Some rejection.
What do you say,
It's a good
Neil?
rejection up there. I said, what we got here?
Yeah, I'm looking at this little rejection basically off the bottom of the 15-minute bar open. Like
Yeah.
I marked the top and the bottom of the 15-minute open, and we just right there, just hovering around.
Mm-hmm. Gotcha.
So I just want to see, I really want to see us support up out of here and take back
Mhm.
up. My up target, like I keep saying, is
Mhm.
174. I want to see us
Yeah.
make that move.
Okay, gotcha. Now, I'm smoking on this key pack. Yeah. Them ladies in the color.
Yeah, I was like, what?
They keep calling. The cheese sliding. The cheese be sliding. On the mission. Yeah. About 16% on that, so I'm like, I'm smooth. Like warm butter on toast, baby. Flawless victory. Yeah, I see they had the 6-minute rejection, fair value, order block. I smoked them on. I said, yeah, come on up to my boy. I said, got him, coach. Got him.
Put me in the game, coach.
Yeah. Let's go.
All right, we getting this little rejection. Come on. Now I need a higher low. I would mess with it. All I'm looking for us to break above 12 or 13 and then come back and test down.
You want to show us what you're looking at?
That would be solid. Yeah, sure. I'll show you real quick. Hold on. Come on, gang. Can you see?
Yep.
Yeah, so see, I got this one leg down here. Come back. We did the break, second leg. So now if we want to reverse, I don't mind us ranging here, but we need to hold this bottom and then just break above here, higher low, boom. I'd look to go up again. Nothing crazy, just as usual. And right now I got first entry, pull back. This is technically a second entry. This is a little tricky. They might try to break lower again just to catch these people right here going long. See, even if I'm not in the trade, I'm trying to see who's getting trapped though.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see if we want to bounce off here. It would be even better, right, if we break out of here and then just break out, get a retest off this top and the 21. Can't argue with that one. Just gotta get on board. I take the trades where I have no choice. I'm like, oh damn, good signal bar. Oh damn, even better context. Come on, man.
They're not even like giving us clear direction though.
Nope. That's why I'm not doing nothing until I see the reaction off that 21. You know?
Yeah.
They might even just break above it and keep going.
Yeah.
Like you said, no clear direction. That's when they just break and keep going. And I just
Yep.
sit.
It's like, bye.
See y'all. Yep.
All right, 300 more ticks. See what's happening.
All right, so we break above that 21. Now can we break back down? Come on. Now retest. Alright, somebody said something. The facts, we in war. Yup. Dancing on the 21, on the 15. Yup. Yeah, just give all the reports in, gang. Alright, so 15-minute is looking exactly like what I want to see happen right here now, right? Because we push down with that red bar. Almost a little at the 21, but we just can't. A little bit more drag down before we turn the top of this green.
On mine, it touched the 21.
Yeah.
On my 2K.
Oh no, I'm on the 15. Yeah. We touched the 21, but we didn't break below any. You know, I want to see us break below now this 11. And really do some retest of this little box we had down here. See, we just playing with it. Looks like they got the shorts trapped. You see it keep trying to pulse red, right? And then we just whip it back up. A little bit of pulsing red, and we just get whipped back up. I want them to just let them drop it down, right? And it kind of be like an exhaustion. Just, okay, go ahead and try to sell all you want, and then all of a sudden trap them. That's what I would like to see. So, once again, whoever's think we're not going to war, pay attention. Like I can still take this trap, right, and then get trapped myself. But that's why I wait for the traps. All right, come on. Now I just needed to turn green. We broke below the 21, right? Easily. Yeah, we turned red. See, I just want that little top to have turned green. Now let's get some more test of this. Let's get some more test of this 04 then. And then we get a green bar significant to this right here. That would be nice. You said we have news at 10:30?
The natural gas inventories.
See, the same green bar, I just want it right here. That's it. So they're giving me 1, 2, 3 in a row now. I'm not too interested in that. I want just boom, push down, come up, give it to me right there. I don't need to do no triple bar entry, because I put enter here. My stop would go, let's see, like 7. Top of this is 21. Again, they can do it. Why don't they do it? That's always my thing. You see now, I just got a whole line going across. Still got a little hope if they break above this 22. I just don't want to enter these 5 bars here, so still waiting on it. Come on, go test the top of that range. And I don't have my background up today, but y'all should know what I'm looking for. Looking for this. Boom. boom, boom, right? So let's say this is 1. We get that little pullback piece right here. And then we can just copy and paste this, see if this just banks out of here. See, I already visually.
I'm just tired of these indecision candles.
Right. Tanya Davis, Sergeant Roach. Hey, call it what you want. Sergeant Roach, Captain Roach, Coach Roach. I like that. Yeah, all these candles are just like half this way, half that way. Again.
Mm-hmm.
I just sit out of this. This sucks. We basically are doing an addition of still this bar, but just it's so ugly, right? Because if you add it up, it literally looks just like this. Got a little green top, mostly no body. And here we go, we're just gonna bank out of here. See what they want to do. I think they'll just go back up. Now I gotta wait for another pushback down. So now I gotta wait for this whole play to play out. They didn't give me a nice entry. And I just gotta hope that it comes back down and retests it again. Or when the 21 comes up here, you know, price goes up here and then comes down. But I still think we're just gonna be out of here. And if you could have told me that we would push out of here like this so easily, then you should have took this trade. But I don't know that, so I don't. Do you feel me?
I just know where it's going.
Yeah, same. Well, where it wants to go at least, but I don't know now. Chop zone is serious. The indecision is annoying. Yes, it is, Nina. Just sit on your hands, though. Don't let it annoy you. That just means you got nothing to do right now.
I'd be getting annoyed, Nina.
Don't join Coach Amy in the annoy fest. Coach Amy be like, man, can't believe these people.
No, but that's why I started doing like my time trading, you know?
Yeah.
So I don't have to be annoyed. I could just be like, oh, okay, I got my move. Okay, and I'm done.
Right.
And scene.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I mean, what the hell was that?
That's what I'm talking about. We trying to break out of here, but I can clearly see that the sellers are not that, like, they didn't get trapped yet, you know? This is not a sign of trapping. This is a sign of holding hands. She said, feel your feelings. Chris B, yeah. That's right. Yeah,
like, calm down, y'all. Give me a second.
Yeah, if I'm annoyed, y'all know when I'm annoyed. I'm like, all right, see y'all. I'm done with this.
I don't think I would know if you were annoyed, Coach Roach.
Why?
I don't know.
I be telling you all the time, I'm like, man, they doing whack stuff. I'm out of here. That's me being like,
oh, yeah, okay.
I'm not sitting with them. I'm not even going to pay attention to what
you're like, they stop me out once, I'm done.
But,
like,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you already know.
Right.
You hit me up this and you were like, oh, you got any more trades? I was like, after that one trade that I thought should have really worked, see y'all.
Right. That's how it be, though.
Yeah. I like that.
That's the first time I've seen you guys' faces. It's nice to see you guys.
Really?
Oh, really? I'm always on.
Yeah, I'm like, my face is on.
We're always on.
Yeah, I'm never on your floor. This is literally my first time being on your floor. I'm usually on
Jeff's.
Jeff's.
Well, welcome.
Oh, yeah, welcome in.
Thank you. I've been trying to get over here. I got a crazy schedule.
Yeah, hopefully my face don't scare you away. So, If you
That's
need me to
funny.
turn off the camera, let me know, just in case.
You're so funny. My eyesight is bad, so it's small. I don't know. Everybody looks wonderful.
It's still indecision though on the 15. I'm like,
Yeah.
it's like trapped between these two fair value gaps, the one from the hour and the one from the daily.
Right. But then I can show you guys why I like the color change, right? I like the color change so much because in my mind, if we would have turned the top of this candle green on the 15-minute, we would at least get a bunch of other people trying to buy, right? Easily, like smart traders be like, okay, we turn green here, we should explode up to here. I'm still looking for that. Now, what I would need to see is if we close below the 21. If this bar would have just got as strong as this red bar, I would have maybe thought about it, right? Because we can see that would be immediate rejection. When I see us do a half bar here and then we got to do a half bar here, again, these bars are about 2,000 ticks. So that means if it's half and half, half the people are still not on board, right? You know what I mean? Okay, here we go, right? So now we kind of get that trap activity. For my top here, I only got a first entry long, so still can't do much. I really would like to see us at least try to push above 39, even 43. And get a little direction. I don't mind the pullback, but at least a little main direction. Okay, so
I need us to close this 1 minute candle above 27.
Here we go, we going for it. And I don't mind being on the right side of price all day long. Like, okay, here I was looking for it to go up, it went up a little bit, came back. Here I was looking for it to go up, it goes up. So maybe I'm in the flow, maybe not, but so far it's playing out right as I'm trying to feel it out. So now once I get a good bar and a good setup, hopefully it still all aligns and we get that push in our direction. First entry, pullback, second entry on the 10K. So yeah, this is my 10K tick chart. Again, why I'm not doing much. I got first, pullback. This second here should have been aggressive. This should have been aggressive, right? We can see we're selling, hitting to the 21, turn back, but we're not aggressive. So now we might need to test this one more time to get aggressive. Or we're gonna, you know, eat up this whole bar here and then get that aggressive push of, remember
They still didn't turn the bar green.
Yeah. On the 15?
On the 2K.
Yeah. And that was just
So
shady.
annoying.
That bar is just shady.
So annoying.
Yeah. Right. This is the handlebar. They're gonna take you for a ride. Put your hand on this right side, put one hand on this left side. You wanna get in, they're gonna take you for a ride. Stay out of
I want to go for a ride to the upside.
Yeah, you don't know where they gonna take you for a ride when you get that one. I want to go upside too.
No, I'm totally cool with downside too, but I know it's more resistance than the upside right now.
Yeah. All right, so here we go. We might get that news. What time is it? 5 minutes? Nah, my little brother gotta be joking. He must have been walking somewhere and seen a roach and he takes a picture of it and sends it to me. Bro.
Hilarious.
Why do I need that? He's like, I'll tell him one of the soldiers are loose.
One of your people.
Yeah, one of the soldiers.
Your people's out here on the streets.
This dude is hilarious.
That's some next level trolling, right?
Yeah, he's hilarious. Oh, man. Alright, we getting that support out of there.
Let's go. 1 minute.
10K getting a little aggressive. 3 minutes. What's my 3 minute doing? Let me go see. Yeah, same thing, but 3 minute looks like it wants to push out finally. But again, every time we've been reaching 235, we just get dropped. So okay, here we go. We're supposed to get the new extreme here, right? Because we gotta, even though it's still doing a bunch of nothing, if you draw a trend line, still keeps you on the right side, right? Trend line here, we get a break. We're supposed to get a new extreme, right? I only know what we're supposed to do, not what we're gonna do. Now here, once it passes here, you would think up move, but for the trend line rule, this is where they would look to reverse. I would like to see them keep pushing though. Here we go. We got one leg. Maybe this leg's a little longer. Maybe we push the second leg all the way up there.
We only have a little ways to go. This 15-minute candle will not break too. It's so annoying. So annoying.
Yeah.
See, Dina?
Starts to take her over.
I just have to take my hand away from the mouse at that point. Like, don't do anything crazy.
Right. Nah, you good, man. Damn, like what are we doing though? Okay.
I just want this candle to break too, finally, on the 15-minute.
Yeah, at this point, I don't mind if, obviously we never mind if we're not in the move, but I definitely don't mind if we're not in the move right now. Just get out of here.
Yeah, exactly. Like, we're trapped. Like, everybody's trapped.
Yep. Stalemate.
Let me see, what candle is this? We're trapped in that hour candle, of course.
10K got another push up now, looking like we could do it. Alright, here's the 10K. We look like we should break this top in at least to 42, but we should go back to the top of the 15-minute. Straight range down, little two legs in the middle, right? One, pull back two. Let's see
20 seconds. Just break two. You got 20 seconds to do it.
Here we go. We got 1 minute till the news. Hopefully the news generates some nitrous.
This candle is not gonna break on the 15.
We need some movement. Do the breakage. Damn. 3 minutes still trying again. They trying it. Alright, there they go.
There it goes. We just broke on the 15, but let's see. Maybe.
Here we go now, 42. That's easy for you now, right? You just went to this easy. Come on, 42 is easy. So again, just pay attention to how, even if I don't know what's going on, I draw the trend line, and that can at least keep me on hopefully the right side, following the price.
I still want to see what it's going to do at that weekly high.
That's the 57, right? Here we go.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. So we got one leg pullback, second leg easy. Easy, easy. Nice and sped up. Where is... Okay. Louisiana. Always good when you guys are sitting around and just sitting on your hands on these days, because that means on the clear days you know when to enter.
Well, now it's going for the 15-minute retracement. Come down to 1875 and or 14.
Yeah, I could see that too. But I really thought we would hold at this 21. So maybe I got this leg.
You know what I think it's doing? I think it's maybe like trying to absorb all of those sell orders from that daily fair value gap. And then once it's done doing that, it'll push us out of this area back to the upside.
Where's the bottom of the
Back to
daily
your
fair value?
newsroom. Mm-hmm.
Huh? What did you say? You said something crazy, Neo. What did you say?
Back to your newsroom.
I was gonna say, because you change, because of that voice, that's exactly what's happening and going to happen.
Hey,
I could feel it in your voice.
that was the intonation I was going for.
Yeah, you came in close and gave us the jewels. I love it.
Now back to you, newsroom.
Yeah, I was like, back to
Yeah, no.
All right, we get the lower high. It looks like.
Okay, so crude oil is coming out in like 20 something minutes, 27 minutes.
Natural gas. Did that already come out?
Yeah.
Yep, it just happened at 10:30.
Oh, a little tiny pop.
Mm-hmm. I'm guessing that's why they wanted to retrace it down.
Mm.
But now we're back inside the range of that one candle.
Yuck.
Help! Get us out of here.
10K just sped up and got shady, right? We got our two legs, instant reversal. Now we got a higher low. And if we count here, we got first, second. We should break back up. All this was just to trap those players, didn't they? Still waiting for higher low. Come on. I wonder if Eric is here. Yo, Eric, you here? E, are you here? Maybe he's at work.
I gotta let my dog out. One sec, yo.
Yeah, I got you. Yo, Eric, if you here, say something. I want to check if you here. Might be at work.
What up, bro?
Oh, yo. Who's that, Fritz?
Yeah.
Oh, yo, what's going on, man?
Hey.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Trying to figure out, should I start doing some option, man? I've been trying to get some more of that spot Bitcoin ETF.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
you might gotta ask Coach Amy.
Yeah, that's why I want to answer that too. Which platform that she used? Because yesterday they kicked my butt.
Hey, you guys want to see my dog? It's really cute. Come here.
Oh, there she is.
What kind of dog do you have?
Oh, he's a little Frenchie. A little Frenchie.
Oh, he's from France.
He or she?
She? Oh,
we have a boy cat, and they're so crazy. Boy
and she's so
animals.
snorting. You guys hear her snorting?
We're dog searching now. We just lost ours about a month and a half ago.
Oh, I'm so sorry. That's
Yeah, it does.
they're like your children.
They really are. I never knew a dog could feel as much as like that as a cat does to me.
Yeah,
I've been crying hard, bro.
I know. I'm so sorry,
Yeah,
Christy.
sorry.
That is rough. Losing a pet is not fun.
Yeah.
You need to go outside? You need to go outside? She's like, let me out. Okay. Okay, y'all hang on. I'll be back.
Yeah. But hey, Fritz, they got you like that. It came back up after you took that option play yesterday, I thought.
Yeah, it came back up, right? This is what happened. I didn't realize I can't day trade with Robinhood. So I couldn't get out of the position. So they actually had to sell me out at 3:30. And right after 3:30, that's when it went back up.
Good sir. Good sir. We're gonna need you to get out the hood. Okay. We're gonna need you to get out of Robin Hood today.
So what platform do you use, Neo?
TD, Fidelity,
Fidelity?
Detroit. Yeah, any one of those great platforms. Anything but Robinhood, okay? Because what happens is anybody else will let you violate that rule, and you just ain't gonna have margin, right? They ain't gonna let the money clear right away.
Yeah.
But if you're trading in Robinhood, they will lock you in positions and force those positions to go red on you. And I use no risk management whatsoever, and you've been sitting and losing trade. Even if the trade is winning, you still can't liquidate, you still take an L. So you want to get out of there as fast as possible.
Yeah,
So
I just
get out
started
the
trading.
hood.
I just started, huh?
Oh, you say
I
get
just
out the
started
hood.
trading.
What's say first?
I was saying I just started trading Robinhood option yesterday. I was like, you know what? I'm just take a couple of option trade. I didn't think it was gonna come back and hunt me in the rear, but
Yeah.
yeah, that's kind of crazy.
So go. You can go to Fidelity, TD. I think it got bought up by Swap, but you know how to use TD. Open up a cash based account, no margin, right? And you can start using that.
Okay, I'm definitely gonna join.
Or even a Weeble. Yeah, or even a Weeble is fine too, right? Anybody but them.
Okay, good to know.
Yeah, dude. Take the money out of that ASAP.
Yeah.
They also selling your data too.
Oh yeah, I heard that one too. Yeah.
Oh, then also they taxes when come down when they do the tax, how they got their tax strategy set up. They share the wealth. Well, they share the tax lane without the back and credit of money that they made, but they spread it amongst everybody too. So yeah, you don't want to operate in that.
Good to know.
Okay, right, smooth.
Yeah, but I needed to join Fidelity anyway because, like I said, it's they got a Bitcoin spot ETF anyway.
I'm gonna tell you like this: you buy Bitcoin directly. There's no need to invest because ETF they're gonna charge you fees, and you're gonna be subject to the real thing. You're better off just going open up a crypto wallet and buy it yourself directly. That ETF stuff is nothing but a quick scam for them to kind of like suck your money in, because you ain't gonna sell when they want you to sell. Well, they ain't gonna sell when you want them to sell, and then you have no control over the real asset. Why get up a small fraction of the growth potential instead of buying it directly? You can take full advantage of it.
I'm a big believer in Bitcoin since 2016, and I've been purchasing Bitcoin since 2016. But now, since I want to diversify a little bit, having some sort of spot ETF, because I didn't want the future ETF for Bitcoin. What was that? BitGo, whatever that was. Anyway, but this one right here, yeah.
That's the recommendation, right? If you buy it directly, don't ETF. You gotta ask yourself, what is an ETF, right? And what the benefits you're gonna get from it, and what the fees they charge them, and how they manage it, who managing the ETF, what they gonna be charged, what they getting out of the ETF. That's the real question, right? When you look at those stocks, and there's plenty of Bitcoin stocks based off of them, And those people, they fall off when Bitcoin drops, they fall off and they don't bounce back. Versus you buy Bitcoin directly, it goes up and down. Yes, it fluctuates, but you have full control 24/7.
When you say it drop, it doesn't bounce back up. What do you mean by that?
Go look at BTBT, Mara. It's a lot of other tickers too. There's a lot of Bitcoin mining companies.
Oh, you're talking about mining companies, yeah.
Yeah, those two, they are directly tied.
E-bond.
There you go. They directly tied to Bitcoin itself. When Bitcoin fell off down to 40-some thousand, they never bounced back. They want the pennies on the dollar. That's the same thing gonna happen with this ETF. So they're gonna charge you mad prices right now, and then when it falls off, Bitcoin bounce back, the stock price never recover. You stuck with your bag. But you know,
it's if I'm not mistaken, it's based off the spot price, not off the seller.
But you still got to get people to. You still got to get people to believe in it, because what's the value of a stock if nobody believes it? It's worth that.
Of course.
So once the major hedge funds say, "Oh, nah, this ain't working. We just might as well buy it directly because we can buy a whole Bitcoin," and the people who might, passively invest or just, play around with this investing stuff, they'll buy the ETF because they feel like it's safer or whatever, less stuff from that, and then they can deal with this. So that's why I say it ain't no need to invest into a Bitcoin ETF. You can buy it yourself. You can buy the gold. Why buy imitational goods when you can buy the real thing?
That's true too. But yeah, like I said, I've been in Bitcoin since 2016. Now I just want to diversify basically upon what is happening right this minute. So owning a few that ETF is not gonna hurt. Nor owning a few of those mining companies is not gonna hurt neither. Once it starts scaling up a little bit higher and they start taking Bitcoin off the market, really, the Mara and all those mining companies they're gonna go berserk. So I'm not really because it's the same thing that happened in 2021 when what was that? It went up to $79 or so, and it was basically a couple of dollars. The percentage itself was larger than Bitcoin itself. Even if you want to look into some sort of cryptocurrency like what's that one called again? I'll tell you right this minute. Yearn or something like that. That's based off of ETF. It's really literally went up to $96,000 when Bitcoin was only 69,000. So there's ways to play this market, and the way I'm playing it as if like I said, I've been in this Bitcoin since 2016, Ethereum as well. But at the end of the day, I want to diversify my portfolio a bit, and knowing that I can actually get the ETF and borrow off the ETF itself, it's beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Well, Jamie, how you doing?
Hey, Fritz, how are you doing?
I'm hanging in here.
Good. That's all any of us can do at this point, right?
Definitely. I had a question for you, but Neil just answered the question. What platform do you use to trade option?
I use Thinkorswim.
How does that work for you?
Sometimes it's great, sometimes it's not. It is kind of buggy sometimes, but I still would prefer to have a platform that allows me to trade on my phone. And TOS is pretty much all I've been using, so I just prefer that. But I have seen somebody shared with me like their Webull platform, and I actually like the way that looks. I just don't, I don't trade with it, so. Oh, this is a pink handle. You thinking about switching platforms?
No, I'm starting to trade, and I did a trade yesterday in Robinhood, and that was the worst thing I could have ever done.
Yeah, Robinhood doesn't really have good options. I mean, okay, so it's easy, right? Like it looks good, it's easy to use. However, the prices that you're getting are not the best. So like their commissions are high. Just everything about Robinhood is not for the benefit of the trader, in my opinion.
E-Trade's a good platform.
Okay.
Fidelity. That's for sure.
Fidelity and TD got the best customer service.
Yeah, I love TD. It's 24 hours a day. You can call them anytime if you are having issues. Like, that's definitely something that I dig about them as well. Thanks, Neo.
My pleasure.
You know, I don't know anything about the options, so I can't help you, Coach Amy.
Yeah.
All I did yesterday was watch a chart, and I just jumped into a trade. I just couldn't get out.
Right.
I couldn't get out of profit. That's the problem. I saw your chart. I'm like, okay, double layer pullback. Let me get into this. I got into the trade. I was in profit. I just couldn't sell. I couldn't sell out. I couldn't just sell the calls.
Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah, I don't know about Robinhood.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
I would really like the market to fail right here and just drop down to the 21. ES is already at the 21.
ES hasn't even made it to the daily high.
Yeah, exactly.
ES is still a 1 candle on the day.
Still nowhere, just ranging around at the bottom. So maybe the what do you think?
NQ is 2 on the day and on the week so far.
Yeah.
Right now. ES, we ain't even close. Not even close to the week, but we have like, let me see, 47.92. We have
Highs
like
at 97, right?
a little under 300 points before we get to the daily high from yesterday.
Shoot.
Let's go NQ. Excuse me.
Can't believe
Ashy voice, you know. Per usual.
You good today, Amy? It's because you went outside with your dog.
And was talking in my baby voice to her.
She's really cute.
Thank you, she is. And she's really, really sweet. She's got a great temperament.
Alright, they're just bouncing out without us today. Alright, we made these moves. We're making these moves. Man, they go to 174 without me getting to enter that set. It's so good.
It will be.
I won't be here to see it. They keep doing this, I definitely won't be here.
I hope what they're trying to do is close above their value gap. That's what I hope they're trying to do on the daily. Oh, Nina, yeah, sure. Give me a second. I honestly have not really been on my phone or on my computer too heavy this week, except for trading. So I haven't, updated my Rumble. I haven't added any new videos. And I totally need to do that, but let me see.
Okay, but you do have the older videos that were on the YouTube, right?
Yeah, they're still up.
They're on the Rumble.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect.
Jeez whiz, my voice.
You're like you used to do on YouTube?
Yes, I'm hoping to. I just got to make sure that, the Zoom is fixed.
So they came after your Zoom too? Now they're not allowing you to do the Zoom on Rumble?
No. They shut down all of my YouTube channels. Like I tried to do another one with a different email address, and they shut it down as well. And I was like, why?
But that shouldn't have affected your Zoom account, though, should it?
No, it didn't. But we use cheat code Zoom when we do our floors and stuff. So if any of the settings are off on the cheat code Zoom, which is not my Zoom, then I hope nothing like that would happen again, but it could.
Okay.
But yeah, since it happened on a cheat code Zoom, I don't really necessarily want to go live while I'm on a cheat code Zoom.
Mm-hmm.
That makes sense.
I got you. All right, sounds good.
But when me and Coach Roach go live and do our study stuff, definitely.
Hell yeah.
Or if I decide to live trade on a day that I'm not on the floor, I'm still trying to work that out with software stuff. Coach Roach told me about OBS Studio. I don't know if anybody knows of anything else, but instead of just using Zoom, I think I want to, try something a little more customizable.
Yeah, OBS is simple and you can customize everything.
I like that I can see your picture, like Coach Roach when we're on the live, I can see you and then I can also see your screen. Right. And it's different. It looks different than Zoom. It's a different setup. So
whenever I can show you that today too. Right now, ES just looks insane. It just looks like we've been having a bunch of ranges all over the place. So this is my ES chart. Right, nothing. Since right here, we've just been going sideways.
It's like a caterpillar.
Right. We're just going, and then now we're just doing the same thing. So, yeah. Coach Amy, you gonna keep going past 11?
I don't think so. No, I don't think I am. Wait, what is this?
Yeah, me either.
Oh, the 15-minute candle retracement. So confused. Okay. No, I don't think I am because I'm on a strict time budget.
That's right.
Trying to stick to that. You know what I'm saying?
You are. I'm trying to. You doing
it. Yeah, stuff like that.
No, wait.
You just come from out of nowhere.
Right.
Like what? Did you say thug life?
Yeah, it's Thug Life, man.
Is that what we're doing here?
That's exactly what we're doing here. Well, I don't know about everybody else. I'm from the servant of the Lord. So things to everybody else, but yeah.
What you say, Neil?
Neo, stop.
Serving who?
the Most High. All powers to be. Shantae, how you doing today, Shantae?
I'm good. About to walk out the door, head to the office.
Okay. Oh, so you started your day yet?
Well, I did some laundry. I didn't clean. I did all this before work. So when I come home,
It's good. You don't have to worry about it. Just in case you get swallowed. You don't want to get swallowed at work today.
What? What and why? Who made you?
He gonna say the same answer before the Most High.
You right, Coach Rush. Sometimes I still gotta ask.
Yeah, don't make it too easy for him. That's easy for him.
Hilarious.
Alright, we just getting reversal now. All of a sudden.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, once again, I guess the top of this range, we're coming back
A
down.
hardcore reversal. Yikes.
So again, guys, we can see if Coach Steve is gonna have a floor, and then we'll go over there and at 12. I'm just gonna leave this for now because I have no idea what's going on.
Yeah, I won't be back on the charts probably until 2.
Sounds good. Yeah.
Or you know how we do, Coach Roach. I might try to catch that close.
Say less. I'm here for it.
But are we still doing a live?
Yeah, right? At like 3?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So 3 p.m. Eastern, we're gonna be going live. I may see if I can link up my Rumble for that.
Yeah. We could try to set it up. We could try to set it up before.
I haven't tried going live yet on Rumble.
I'll do a little research too, but I'm pretty sure you should be able to plug it in, because all we need to get is like your URL from Rumble, and then post it into OBS, and then we can make a shake.
Yes, Nina, it is. That's what we missed last Thursday.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna get back to it.
A little overtime from 2016. See what we got going on. This is what we kind of expected the start of this year.
The back and forth.
Yep.
The up and down. Dang.
So let's see what's going on.
My voice got super ashy at that point.
Wow, man.
Excuse me.
Rip.
I'm all the up and down.
Yeah. Vengeance, like Batman.
Yeah, like why does it do that? I'm not a guy.
So yeah, I'll leave this. Eve post something. I'll turn this off, and then we'll switch over to there. If he doesn't, I'll leave it until 2:30, because I'm usually gonna come back from my break anyways by 12:15. But like while I'm like just chilling, I'm still taking a look, a peek. I'm just not sitting here. Give myself a little mental break.
Word, we all need it.
Yes. So, all right, guys, good stuff.
Thank you guys for joining us this rising. We'll see you again this afternoon.
Yeah, guys.
Thank
later.
you both.
Anytime. Good job, guys.
Peace and blessings.
Peace out. Come on, baby. I'm just looking for a good bar here. I just have my buy order hovering. Ah, come on.
Order canceled.
Come on. What are we doing here? What's the ES is coming red as well. Turning green now. I don't like this though. What do you think? Yeah, let's see how this bar closes. If it closes above 90 by 93, decent. Bottom of this bar is 83. If it closes at 93. Got nice two-leg move in the middle down. You see what I'm saying? Like, I'm like, yo, if we're gonna get this reversal, this would be a solid leg up to 172. I've been looking for that 73, 72. Come on, baby. Even better. Come on. Yeah, drop a little bit, reject. Show your boy some love. Oh, shit. You know why them under this though? Get out. Oh, my God. That's over here. Oh, my dude. Like Brutus just said, that's why we wait. No, they almost tried to give it to us, but you gotta wait. Be patient.